So I have been wanting to do a empties video for a long time. So basically an empties video is just sharing products that you've completely used up. For me, it's only skincare products. It takes a lot for me to use up one makeup product because I have so much makeup. So I have 9 products to share with y'all today. I'm going to do many reviews. I've used the entire bottle or container of each product. So I feel like this is a good time for me to review each product. 9 times out of 10, if I did finish the bottle though, I love the product. I mean, I'm not going to use something that just doesn't work. Unless it's like body care, like body wash, I'll use it up because I don't want to waste that. But if it's like a skincare product and it caused me to like break out, I'm not going to continue to use it just for the sake of using the product up. So if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead, click that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. And if you would like to see the products that I've used up in the last month or two, then definitely stay tuned. So the first product that I've completely used up is the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel. And this is just like a staple, y'all. It's a soap-free gel cleanser and I feel like it's really mild. So if you're using a lot of AHAs, BHAs, or even retinol on your skin, then this is perfect because it is a very mild cleanser. So it doesn't really do much to my skin, but I feel like it helps maintain my skin's barrier if I'm using crazy products on it. So this is something that I will always have in my skincare collection. Would I recommend this? Yes. Next is the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5, and I absolutely love this product. I have a backup of this. So happy that I have a backup because when I tell you this moisturizes my skin like no other. I use this after I apply my toner. I like using this on damp skin. It really locks the moisture into my skin before I go in with my serums. Would I repurchase this? Yes, it's a staple. So I have used up 3 serums, but I've only repurchased 1 of them. So let's first talk about the Glow recipe. This is the Strawberry Smooth BHA plus AHA Salicylic Serum, and y'all, my skin never looks better than when I wear this. I like applying this at nighttime. During the day, I use something differently now, but I was applying this day and night, which you can definitely do. But y'all, this keeps breakouts at bay. It keeps my skin smooth, clear. I love this serum. When I stopped using it for a while, my skin went haywire. So that's how I know this product works. I purchased another bottle not too long ago and it's almost done, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see how much is left on camera, but it's more than halfway done. So when I tell you run and get this product if you haven't already, run. So another serum that I completely used up is the Dermalogica Age Bright Clearing Serum. You know what? There's still just a slight bit left in here. That's not like me. I normally will take the bottle, like after the dropper no longer picks up product, I will take the bottle, like dump it in my hand. We not wasting no serum product around here because serums can get pricey, y'all. Make sure y'all using all y'all product up. But this product right here, it brightens your skin, but it also helps keep breakouts at bay. And on top of that, it also helps with aging. If you're dealing with breakouts and you want to brighten your skin tone as well as do preventative aging care to your skin, this serum is definitely worth it. Would I repurchase this? Yes. Have I repurchased it yet? No. It's not like top tier, but it definitely is a bomb serum if I used it completely up. So this one right here, holy grail. If you have not tried this baby out, you need to. This is the Lancome Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. This serum right here, it's just like an all-in-one serum. If you don't want to apply a whole bunch of different serums, this one will help with dark spot. It'll help with hydrating your skin, anti-aging. This one does it all, y'all. I need to repurchase this, but I haven't yet because it's pricey AF and I have other skincare to use, but I will be repurchasing this baby soon. One of the moisturizers that I used up is the Ole Henriksen Strength Training Peptide Boost Moisturizer, and it does have vegan peptides, ceramides, and collagen in it, and I find that this moisturizer is is moisturizing, but is it like the best moisturizer I've used in my life? No. This is not a bad moisturizer by any means. It's just not the best that I have tried out, and I've tried so many different moisturizers, but I used it up. It didn't cause me any problems. It definitely kept my skin barrier amazing. So another product that I've used up completely is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Sweet Candy. Y'all, this smells so good. It's very thick, but I love this overnight on my lips. It just feels amazing. It stays on the whole night. I don't have to worry about it coming off throughout the night, and my lips are just nice and ready to go for the next day if I want to wear lipstick or lip gloss or whatever. You could wear this during the day too, but I just like this for nighttime. Would I repurchase this? Hell yeah. So my skin is very sensitive when it comes to body wash. I have eczema and it flares up. Like sometimes it's good and sometimes it's just horrible. And you know, dermatologists recommend Aveeno majority of the time. So I purchased the Aveeno Nourishing Body Wash for sensitive skin. This one is the prebiotic oat plus almond oil. And I've had this for quite a while, but I only recently used it up because I had ran out of my favorite body wash, which I've already shared on this channel. I'll link it down below in case any of you don't know and you're interested in it. But yeah, I purchased this one because my skin after I take a shower, it tends to get really itchy, and it's like so annoying. I have to be careful about what I use on my body, y'all. So I'm thinking, okay, Aveeno is gonna do me right. No, baby. This Aveeno did not do me right, but I didn't have any other body wash. I gotta be clean, so I used it. But would I repurchase this? Heck no, because it made my skin itchy. It smelled really good. Maybe you won't have that issue, but yeah, it did not work for me. So the last product that I used up is the Summer Eve's Gentle Wash. This is with rose hip oil. Would I repurchase this? No. The reason being is because the scent is just too much for down there. Like, just too much. And if y'all want me to do like an intimate video on what I use, I could definitely do that. But this one, I used it up because I had it and I didn't want to waste it, but I would not reuse it again. Yeah. So this is my first time doing an empties video. I really enjoyed that. I don't know if y'all will like it or not, but you can let me know if you did down below if you want to see more videos like this. Thank y'all for watching this video. As always, y'all are the bomb, and I will catch y'all in my next one. Bye. By the way, if you have not already checked out my last Chit Chat Get Ready With Me video, go watch it because a lot of y'all have not watched it. Y'all said y'all wanted to see more Chit Chat Get Ready With Me videos, but y'all ain't watched this video though. So make your way to the video now, baby. Okay?